Salutations, fellow chemists. Today we're going to be having a look at a classic exam question around the allotropes of carbon. So this question says, explain why graphite can conduct electricity but diamond cannot. So before we get started, let's get the red pen. You need to understand what electricity is in chemistry. So in chemistry, electricity is, I'm going to flip that over to the top, the movement of charged particles. So when you are answering these questions, you need to ask yourself, okay, it's asking me about electricity, but what are the charged particles that I need to think about? In ionic bonding, you will talk about ions, but we're not looking at ionic bonding. In this case, we're looking at covalent bonding and giant covalent structures. And in graphite, it's all to do with electrons or delocalized electrons. So in this case, we'll be focusing on the delocalized electrons. I will switch to blue to answer this question. Excelente. So now we've got the blue pen. What we need to do is think about the question. It says explain. So what you need to do is give reasons for what you are saying. And also we need to make sure we talk about graphite and we talk about diamond in order to maximize the number of marks we make. Let's get started with the question then. So first thing you need to know is graphite contains delocalized electrons. So graphite contains delocalized electrons. And let's squeeze electrons on this side. And what is important about these delocalized electrons, if I can say that word properly, what you need to know is they can move through the structure. This is an important keyword you must include in your answer. Through the structure and carry charge. Okay, if you do not say the word through, you won't pick up the marks in the exam. And then the last thing we need to make is a comment about diamond. So what can we say about diamond? You don't need to say it in too much detail, but all you know is in diamond, each carbon is bonded to 4 others. So the valence electrons, the outer shell electrons in each carbon is used up in bonding. Therefore, diamond does not contain any delocalized electrons. And that is enough for you to pick up all of the marks for this question here. So that is it for the video. Make sure that you like and you drop a comment in the comment section below. Check out our Chemistry My Resources as well, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.